give a very special thanks to MGA for sending these products to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today, we are taking a look at the BFFs, Sweets and Spicy Babe. These two are sold separately. I've seen Sweets priced at $26.99 online, and the same for Spicy Babe. I don't have any plastic on the front. That's different. On the front of the box, it says, LOL Surprise, OMG, Outrageous Millennial Girls. 20 surprises, unbox fashion, dress me, strut your stuff, reusable dressing room. I'm a fashion doll, package becomes playset, and the name of the doll is at the bottom. Sweets or Spicy Babe. When the two boxes are together, it makes a little heart. There is a handle at the top. We can see their little sis on the side of the box. And on the back, it says, OMG, we sisters slay all day. We strut fierce style like the divas we are. And we march to the beat of our own drum, making everything a little more outrageous. We stand out from the crowd and write our own set of rules, because we're here to surprise the world. The same wording is on both boxes. Oh, and there's the plastic. Let's remove it and get these dolls out of the box for a closer look. It says start here. So let's pull that out. And all right, I guess that's as far as it goes. There's a message at the bottom. Sweets. Life is sweetest when you're strutting on air. At the top corner, it says peel here. They're gonna make me mess up the front of my box. I don't like doing that. Okay, gotta be really careful here. And very carefully remove the doll box art. And there we go. We can now see some of the accessories, and this side pulls out to reveal the doll. Just gotta open the dressing room door, which is being blocked by this. So, there is a little perforated edge right here to remove more of the box. So I don't even get my heart shape now. If we really want that heart shape, I guess we could just remove this piece here, which is also perforated, and tape it back onto the box. Now we can open the dressing room door to reveal the doll. Aw, her little outfit is cute. In my opinion, of course. There is a plastic insert that can be removed. The accessories and fashion on the side can be removed as well. Inside the box, we have a mirror. We just have to remove the protective coating. And now you can see everything behind the camera. Inside the box, we can see a neon light, a little chair at the bottom. Then there's candy and like cotton candy on the side. And on the other side, we can see a picture and some luggage. This is a super small space, a little over 3 inches wide. So in my opinion, it's not a ton of space to use as an actual playset. There are rubber bands and plastic ties holding the doll in place. Once freed, I can see that her hair is pretty neat. Blue and pink soft curls on top and super crunchy curls on the sides. She wears a white iridescent one-piece, glitter lipstick, has pink eyeshadow on one eye, blue on the other, gold underneath, and stars, pink painted nails, and pink socks. She comes with a doll stand, a BFF journal that has a little bit of information about the doll inside, a gold-colored brush, 2 garment bags with hangers. This is where we find her fashion items, like this cute little baby doll dress. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. In the other bag, we have a blue jacket with gold faux buttons, a pink collar, and furry sleeves. On the back, we can see 2 little LOL Surprise babies. Here it is on the doll. We have a shoebox and a hat box, Inside of the gold colored shoebox, we have shoes. Chunky pink and blue shoes with a pearly paint and gold details. In the hat box, we have 2 little wrapped packages. The first one has doll stands, or the little waist brackets. Great! And the second one has something gold and more gold stuff. Oh, this is a headband. That's cute. Fancy. She also has a gold colored necklace, hoop earrings with the little dangly circles on the end, and 3 gold colored bracelets. According to the box, we should be able to fit the dress under her jacket. Are you sure? Because it looks like it's going to be a snug fit, and she looks fine just as she is. Mini Toya, give her top back. Fine. Okay, yes, it can be done. However, personally, I think it creates a little bit of bulk, and I would have probably liked to have seen spaghetti straps rather than puff sleeves. And last but not least, we have a little gold fanny pack. Now my elastic was broken, so I'm just gonna stitch it back together right quick. Not my neatest work, but it'll do. And now Sweets is completely dressed, which means Spicy Babe is up next. If you can't take the heat, get off the runway. Okay, so we got some strong words there. I'm trying to remove the box. There we go. So even though we are removing this side, when it's closed, you can still see the box art underneath. And then we can pull this side and this side to reveal the doll. Open the dressing room door. She has a nice little black and white bodysuit there.
Oh yeah, totally love her style.
She also has a mirror in her dressing room, and the little cubby on the side has a half heart neon sign with flames. There's a chain link fence. We can see chili peppers across the top and some pictures of furniture. This doll comes with a dark blue doll stand. She has black and burgundy hair, hot pink eyeshadow with a beauty mark. She has a pearly pink lip color and hot pink nails. Her hair is styled with 2 ponytails on top, bangs, and it's long and straight in the back. Here is her BFF journal, where we can learn a little bit more about her. She comes with a silver brush, 2 garment bags. This one is pretty long. Inside, we find pants. Sorry, I just had to try them on a Barbie. This is the Made to Move Petite Yara Shahidi doll, and they fit pretty good. They're kind of low rise, but they do fit. And they fit on the original Made to Move body as well. However, the little heart knee patches are not over the knees. They're a little above. You know, just in case anyone was wondering if the fit fits. Here they are on Spicy Babe, a perfect fit. In the other garment bag, we have a red jacket with faux leather and detailed stitching in the front. Then it's clear at the top and down the arm with faux buckles and black on the shoulder. In a silver shoebox, we find tissue paper. And inside the tissue paper, we have some red shoes with silver and black painted details. In the blue hat box, we have 2 small packages again. This one has more holders for the doll stand. And this one has jewelry. Ooh, and makeup. There is a black choker with silver painted details and a heart-shaped tag, silver-colored spiked hair accessories, a makeup brush, and a tiny compact with a real mirror. And we have one little paper package with a purse inside. It's opened so you can put things inside, and it's pink, black, and silver with a small chili pepper hanging off the side. Or at least I think that's a chili pepper. So there we have it, the BFFs, Sweets, and Spicy Babe. They are totally rocking opposite looks here. I love the little touches of gold with the pastels. And Spicy Babe has some really fun pieces. I love the pants, and I really enjoy those makeup accessories. However, I would like to see a more usable playset. The box says package becomes a playset. Well, technically the dressing room is usable, but I love these little scenes on the side, and I just feel like we need them to be a little larger. Like maybe the packaging could fold out, like the LO Surprise furniture sets, but for OMG dolls. That would be so cool because I love the art on their backgrounds. I've even made a few printables inspired by them. But overall, I think these two fall right in line with most of the other OMG dolls, with layered fashion, the garment bags, the shoe boxes, and let's check out that articulation. She can move at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, and the hands can be removed, move at the hip, and there is a slight bend at the knee. So I think these dolls are great for posing. Not my favorite for sitting. And maybe we can make a quick little doll stand display using this background. Carefully remove the back wall and unfold the box. Nothing is really glued down. Well, so far I haven't run across any glue, so you can just easily unfold everything to get what you want. I want this side right here. So let's neatly cut it off, then glue the remaining box back together because I want to keep my box. It's good for storage. With a little bit of tape, the box is good to go. Cover the inside with scrapbook paper. I'm using tape to make sure the edge stays down. I cut this little bottom tab, then I just tuck it under. So now we can see the whole floor when it opens. And the box will still be able to slide in and out. Let's glue cardstock onto the floor and use foam board or paper for a little trim. So we have a cute little room where we can store our boxes, unfold a paper clip, glue it onto the back wall, and add a decorative button or an acrylic gem on top. So we have a place to hang our garment bags. Trim the mirror and place it in the corner, giving us a larger dressing room. Take the fancy box art. They have these nifty little tabs on two of the sides. So I'm going to trim the top, the bottom, and the door on this one, cutting as neatly as I can. Then use tape to tape the box art together. I use double-sided tape between the layers and regular tape on the back to make a quick little trifold that can stand. So we have a larger space to play and display our doll. And everything still fits inside the box when it's time to clean up. Just make sure when you tuck this piece under that you don't block this little channel. Otherwise, the door won't slide closed. But I totally feel like I'm getting a playset now, or at least a great background for photos. We've done a couple of these box transformations before, and I think it's pretty cool because it doesn't require a lot of materials. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at new LOL Surprise dolls and made a few changes to the box. Let us know in the comments down below if these dolls are a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and The Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.